How to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. So before proceeding, let me inform you that recovering Facebook account without email and phone number is quite not possible. You just have to remember any one of those. Maybe that might be email or phone number. If you don't know both of them, then you need to create a new account to resolve this kind of issue on Facebook. So simply you need to enter mobile number or email as the first option. So let's enter it here. Once you enter any of those, tap forget password link. Then you'll be taken to this page where you have to allow Facebook to access your contacts. So tap allow button and allow Facebook to make and manage phone calls. So let's tap on allow again. And here you need to enter the mobile number so that you can find your account, or you can also search by email instead of that. Once you enter email address or phone number, tap on the continue button. Then you will get access to this page where if you see your account, then you have to tap on the continue button. Or else if you don't see your account, then tap try another way. So let's tap continue, and then you need to create a new password, or you can tap on the skip button. So let's enter a new password here. Once done, tap on the continue button. Before that, if you wish to log out of all the devices, check mark the box and then tap continue button. You have to wait for a few moments. And as you can see that we have successfully logged in to our account. If you wish to save your login info, tap save or device, tap not now button, and you will easily recover Facebook account without email and phone number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.